Larry says, how do you continue to achieve your desires with external influences and resistances? Okay. So that's pretty much the winning question. We'll end with that here now because I know we're at the top of the hour and we like to really be punctual with everything that we do. So last little question here. It's a great question, Larry. It's pretty much the number one question everyone would have. How do I stay in control of myself? That's the answer. Staying in control of yourself, okay? Understanding is number one. Understanding that your circumstances, the resistance, the external factors have no power over you unless you let it. I'm telling you, people go, like, I don't mean this in an ego way, everyone knows that. People will go throughout the day and they'll see me and something will happen and I just don't even have an emotional remark about it. Something bad or good is happening. People are saying like, don't you feel terrible about that thing? I'm like, no. Why would I feel terrible? I can't control that thing. I could just control myself. And it is what it is. Accept it. Find the good. As you find the good, you're putting your thoughts on that frequency and you won't attract that BS anymore. Then you take action from there, okay? So, Larry, to answer your question, it's this program. How do you stay in control of yourself? You do the program. You create the awareness and the exercises on how to flip your mind on that other frequency. And also, go through Michael Beckwith's 3-step process. Bob says it all the time. I've said it many times on this call. Number one, accept it. It is what it is, accept it. It is what it is physically, accept it. Number two, harvest the good. Find the good, what you can find in there. Journal about the good aspects. If you're a big Abraham Hicks fan, she says it all the time, have a journal of my book of positive aspects. Every teacher is saying the same thing, but we got to listen. That's how we remain in control of ourselves. One, it is what it is, accept it. Two, harvest the good. Find the good in all things. There's always good in all things, okay? And number three, forgive all the rest. Let go and put focus onto what you want. All right. So we're going to wrap up here. I'll tell you a couple of things on how to apply it, and then we'll go ahead and wrap up. Let me go ahead and stop the screen share. What a beautiful call. Okay. I just couldn't wait. These Monday calls are like my favorite thing to do in the entire world because I will know exactly what to cover. Chanel, you had a great question. How much of it is intuitive? How much do you just kind of just go with the flow and, you know, different things? How much of it is already predetermined? I say this many times that just on the Monday, I just know exactly what we need to cover tonight to piece things together for everybody. I do these principles, this same thing. I let the power flow to and through me all week. I'll gather information. I know where people are. I know what challenges are. Even if you don't see me actually asking you, I know it intuitively, as well as throughout the posts and the things that are happening within the group. Okay, and then it pieces it all together, and instantly I get an urge, I get a flash, I get an idea that says, that's it. Okay, I do it. It's the same principles. Okay, and you could do the same thing. The same thing that we covered today. I do the same thing. So I want to always impress upon that I'm doing the same thing. That's how these things happen in my life. Okay, you want to live these principles the best you can every single day. They become a thought pattern. Okay, so how do you apply this? Every single day, just keep on your thinking results lesson. That's the most simplified version of this material. So keep going on your thinking results lesson first and foremost. Okay. Number two, if you'd like to, watch this replay 5 minutes a day for the next 2 weeks. Okay, just 5 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day, and do that for a week straight, something like that, to impress these ideas upon you. Number three, do our paradigm shift exercise and start to really relax and be at ease. Number one thing, remember the little tattoo bead you have, right? Post on your bathroom mirror, post on your kitchen, post on your refrigerator, something that says ease. Capital letters, ease. So remind yourself every day, feel the reasons to feel ease, and I will feel ease. I will let the power flow to and through me, and things will start to become ease. Okay.